it with Try It Like It Created. And today I want to share with you these cute Clover Macaroons. They come in two colors. This one is raspberry and this one is pistachio. So let's open it up and take a look. These are called Sweet and Sharp Macaroons. And what you get in the box is a card with your macaroon attached. Now, what's interesting about this is the middle part is what you're going to use, and that's to sharpen your needles and your pins. And to do so, you just push it into the center a couple of times, and it sharpens the point on your needles and your pins. Hopefully you can hear that sound. And that is sharpening your needle. Now there's two sides to your macaroon. The top is smooth. The bottom has the Clover logo on it. Hopefully you can see it there. Why do you want to know the difference between the two? The side without the logo is magnetic, and you can store your needles and pins right there on the top on your work surface. So it makes it easy for you to be able to grab them, use them, sharpen it if you need to, and then when you're done, store it right on top of your macaroon.